Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for December 11th, 2024. The Bulls took the CPI numbers that pretty much came in just in line, and really just gave it to the Bears. They had a pretty nice squeeze today. But I was saying that I was anticipating that we're going to get some type of bounce. I didn't really think we were going all the way up there. And today was a little bit tricky because the signal weight and the cycle momentum was not really supportive for an extended move. And really, the only thing that was holding everything up was the Qs. And so we had, I had taken a 60-90 and a 60-100. I sold the premium call premium on it, and I ended up just trading out of it. It would have ended up being 100% gain on it, but again, when you're managing the portfolio, I can't really take risks like that. So, if we just kept going up, it would have been a pretty large hit. So I traded out of it. We, ended up the day. It's really another nothing day, $270 for the day. So no harm, no foul. Things are gonna get easier. Like I said, if we would have had, if the software was giving a stronger, like say, buy signal than what I was seeing, we would have just went long. But it was the mixture between the Qs and the S&P where that was heading up, and then once we saw the Dow and the Russell start to join in, that's when we got the extended move. So we got a little bit of a pullback towards the end. Here you can see we have the 23% retracement is at the 60.78. Then we have the 60.68. Let me just do this real quick because that's some support. So we have 60.80, 60.78. It would probably make more sense if we actually came somewhere down into the 60.65. We have a little bit of a sell signal going. It's not really defined as I want it to be, but in any case, we're very, very overbought with the RSI and momentum. We did have a little bit of a divergence, so seeing some backing and filling again, it would be healthy for the Bulls to do that. When they make these extended moves and then they keep going, it usually ends up in tears because everyone's buying and chasing at the top, and then they pull the rug out. But as I've been saying, the seasonality is on the side of the Bulls, so shorting is dangerous right now unless you're just taking it on a day-by-day basis. So those are our support levels. Now, let's say the Bulls open up and they gap it up again, or they try higher. Obviously, this resistance right here, 60.99, is going to be it. But you can see these are still the extensions. And we're looking at 61.02 and the 61.15 and 61.20. So upside, these would be the resistance areas to look for. What would be better is, like I said, we get a pullback, and then from there we head up where we test one of the support levels, and then from there, we do the year-end rally that, I'm anticipating. I still think it's going to be in play, but in any case, if they start this straight up from here, I think they're going to have a hard time getting buyers in, and probably a lot of the institutions will be selling into that rally. 60-minute chart where you can see we're pretty overbought right here. We had these bearish divergences. We got a 70-point drop. Typically, it fits the profile. It's not I would have liked to have gone a little bit further and popped and tested this area just to really digest this entire move since Trump got elected. But in any case, we have if we're using the larger A, B, and then C up, this is looking at a move coming somewhere up into the 61.71 if it's going to, scream higher. But right now, pretty overbought right now. We're both with the RSI and momentum. We had bearish divergences. Maybe it played out. We have to wait and see on that. And that's really about it. There's no, I would think they would do some, just backing and filling after today's move. And really what you would be looking at is this right here, the bottom of this gap that's right at the 6060. This would be a downside target if they did come down there. But we also, so I would say anywhere from here, anywhere from the 60-70 down to the 60-64 level would make perfect sense on that, and that might be a good area to look to buy. So let's see what plays out tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.